There are now more than 41,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus here in Maryland. More than 1,900 people have died, including the youngest victim, a 15-year-old Baltimore County girl. But the number of people in the hospital and ICU continues to go down. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. More than 1,700 new cases were added today, and ICU beds are at the lowest levels since April 26th. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren joining us live now with the latest. Mike.
Max, let's start with the 15-year-old's death. A statement from Baltimore County officials did not name the victim, but her family says she is Dariana Dyson. And according to county health officials, she had symptoms of an inflammatory disorder that has been linked to COVID-19 and found in children across the country in 19 states and the District of Columbia. Maryland remains partially reopened and hospitalizations have continued on a downward trend. Baltimore County officials confirmed this morning a 15-year-old died from COVID-19, becoming the youngest victim in the state. Her family has identified her as Dariana Dyson. She was being treated at Johns Hopkins for almost a week before her death. Her aunt.
This is real. I didn't think it was just so dangerous until this situation. She was healthy. No pre-existing, nothing. We want everybody to know that she was just courageous, independent.
In Baltimore, the mayor warned businesses he will shut them down if they illegally reopen, with the city still under a stay-at-home order. The city has now recorded more than 4,000 cases and more than 200 deaths.
I'm just really concerned that once we do more testing, the numbers are going to go a lot higher. And I'm really concerned that we are not doing what we need to do as far as understanding the basics of the social distancing.
Congressman Dutch Ruppersberger met this week with leaders of Emergent Biosolutions, which plans to manufacture millions of doses of vaccine candidates from their Baltimore facility.
This is about execution in a timely and efficient and effective manner in order to meet the needs of the nation.
And on the Eastern Shore, after people from both in and out of state packed Ocean City's beaches over the weekend, Pennsylvania's governor criticized Maryland for letting it happen.
I wouldn't go to the beach. There are people there who aren't wearing masks, and you're putting yourself at risk. I wouldn't do that. I haven't done that. And I'm not sure why the governors of Maryland and New Jersey have opened their beaches, but they have.
Now back to Dariana Dyson. There is a vigil plan to celebrate her life at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon in her O'Donnell Heights community. Her family encourages people to social distance. Reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Okay, Mike, thank you. BGE is proposing a rate freeze due to the pandemic lasting until the year 2023. After the 2-year price lock, there will be an 8% hike. That's about a $13 increase on an average bill. BGE says their goal is to help keep bills down during the economic recovery. For the first time since World War II, the annual Chincoteague Island Pony Swim is canceled. That includes the carnival and pony penning celebration put on by the Volunteer Fire Company. Officials say this was the only logical decision. The foals will now be sold in an online auction. The swim would have marked the 95th year.